gentlemen, in preparation for landing, please be sure your seatbelt is fastened.
And this is simple. Even y'all can do this, but we're going to do it. All right, so here we go now. When it comes in, it's going to come in just like this. Is this sample an acid or a base? Sounds like we need an indicator on the case. To move things along, we follow the pH. All right, let's go. Ready? Ready? 1, 2. Is this sample? We need an indicator on the case. To move along, we have to follow the pH. Below 7, there's an acid present. Above 7, base takes over the place. Because all indicators should indicate whether a sample is an acid or a base. All right, give yourselves a round of applause. That's it. This is very easy, it's very fun, very simple way to lock it in.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off!
Okay, good. Let's give a round of applause.
Dry soil, kind of grind it up, and then you can sieve it if you want, but I think it's really cool if you don't sieve it because you get this really cool texture. But you just add a little bit of water and Elmer's glue and
This is where you order butterflies from. Except you just want to put them in the box so they'll fly out. This is what they worked with the other day in class. The sheep brain.
Today I am at the National Science Teachers Association National Conference in Chicago. A lot of fun stuff going on right now at the exhibit hall. Currently I'm about to dissect the heart and show you everything that's inside the heart of a pig, which is about this big.
So I'm going to give him diabetes, and up pops a graph. Let's slow it down for a minute. Up pops a graph of the different levels of the molecules in the cell right now. You'll see here's when he got diabetes, and you can see how that affects the different molecules. I'm going to take, I hit this third button here. I'm just going to hide a couple, just so that we're looking at glucose. Kick it back up. So you've seen his glucose levels plummeting right now. He's still dancing, but in just a moment he's going to get a little bit less enthusiastic in his dances as the glucose levels have been. Oh, you can see he's dropped his arms. He's not doing so well pretty soon. I could give him an injection of insulin, make his glucose levels go back up. But for the purposes of the demo, not going to do that because you put this in the hands of a student before you've even launched the app. Your students are going to figure out that indeed the inevitable can occur with our little friendly organism over here. As the organelles start to fail, the cell dies, and we go through this really kind of morbid death animation as our little friend falls apart right there. But we can reset it, and he's back in business. feathers every day. And there's even little tiny feathers on the wings.
This is a beach owl. Hi, Otis. All right.
That's the story of like every exhibit or anything I go to where there's turtles. It's always, we got it from somewhere, we don't know how old it is.
His name's Jazz. He's about 10 years old. He's what's called the Hoffman's two-toed sloth. So they're the blondes.
The chief?
That is a squash.
Oh, squash. Not many teeth?
Actually, they have flat molars and then 4 big, very sharp teeth.
Okay. They live to about...
In the jungle, 15 to 20 years. Park like ours, a lot of times 25 to 30. We actually have a Hoffman that just turned 40. So, yeah, horrible on land, but amazingly good swimmers.
Directly to make a
Well, we have them available because we're like the one-stop shop. So if you're looking for STEM resources, we've got everything, over 30,000 resources for pre-K to 16.
That's your move right there. Your mom.
I say A, B.
Oh, he's taking a selfie.
That's A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. I say M, O. M, O, P. M, O, P, P. Mop.
Where did it go from?
M, O, P, P. Mop, 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 R. I say R, A. R, A, G. R, A, G, G. Rag. R, A, G, G, M, O, P, P. Rag, mop, doodle, da, da, da. 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 R, A, G, G, M, O, P, P. Rag, mop, mop, mop.